Hello, I am Matthew. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to explore 4 different types of affiliate marketing, each with its own unique benefits and challenges. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for individuals to make money online, and understanding the different types can help you choose the one that's best suited to your goals and promotional strategy. Pay-per-click, PPC, affiliate marketing. Pay-per-click affiliate marketing is a type of affiliate marketing where the affiliate is paid for every click generated by their promotional links. This type of affiliate marketing is popular in the advertising industry, as advertisers are willing to pay for clicks on their ads. However, the downside of PPC affiliate marketing is that it can be difficult to generate high-quality clicks that lead to conversions. Pay-per-lead, PPL, affiliate marketing. Pay-per-lead affiliate marketing is a type of affiliate marketing where the affiliate is paid for every lead generated through their promotional links. This type of affiliate marketing is common in industries like insurance, finance, and real estate, where leads are valuable. The benefit of PPL affiliate marketing is that it can be easier to generate leads than to make sales, marketing is the most common type of affiliate may not always lead to where the affiliate is paid a commission for every sale made through their promotional links. This type of affiliate marketing is used in many industries, and it can be a lucrative opportunity for affiliates who are able to generate high-quality traffic and drive sales. However, the downside of PPS affiliate marketing is that it can be challenging to generate high-quality traffic and make consistent sales. The final type is email affiliate marketing. Email affiliate marketing is a type of affiliate marketing where the affiliate promotes the advertiser's products or services through email marketing. This can be done through newsletters, promotional emails, or personalized emails. Email affiliate marketing is a great way to build a relationship with your audience and promote products that are relevant to them. However, the downside of email affiliate marketing is that it can be challenging to build a large email list and create compelling content that leads to conversions. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, but it's important to understand the different types of affiliate marketing and choose the one that is best suited to your goals, audience, and promotional strategy. Whether you choose pay-per-click, pay-per-lead, pay-per-sale, or email affiliate marketing, it's important to focus on generating high-quality traffic, building relationships with your audience, and promoting products that are relevant to them. We hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.